The future of smartwatches is here, or at least on its way. Today, we're talking about Huawei's anticipated Watch GT 6. With the Watch GT series already known for stunning design, incredible battery life and top-notch health tracking, what can we expect from their latest release? Let's dive in and uncover everything you need to know about the Huawei Watch GT 6. Huawei's GT series has been a benchmark in wearable tech. From the stylish Watch GT 4 to the feature-packed GT 5, these smartwatches have bridged the gap between fitness and luxury. Huawei consistently delivers premium builds, advanced health monitoring, and unbeatable battery life, and the GT 6 is set to raise the bar even higher. While Huawei hasn't officially revealed the GT 6, here's what leaks and patterns tell us. 1. Design upgrades. Expect a more refined bezel and an ultra-slim profile. Materials could include titanium alloy and sapphire glass, ensuring durability without compromising style. 2. Enhanced display. A larger, more vibrant AMOLED screen with ultra-thin bezels. Huawei might also improve the always-on display for better visibility outdoors. 3. Health tracking features. Building on the GT 5's TrueSense health sensors, the GT 6 may introduce real-time ECG monitoring, advanced sleep tracking, and even body composition analysis. Huawei's Health Glance feature, which provides multiple health metrics in under a minute, is likely to see enhancements. 4. Battery life. Known for industry-leading battery life, the GT 6 could offer up to 14 days on a single charge, maintaining Huawei's reputation for energy efficiency. 5. Software and ecosystem, powered by HarmonyOS. 4.2 or beyond, the GT 6 will likely feature improved app support, better connectivity, and smoother integration with Huawei's ecosystem. 6. Other features. Built-in GPS for outdoor sports enthusiasts. Possibly introducing 5 ATM plus water resistance for better underwater tracking. Wireless fast charging. Huawei usually updates its GT series annually. The GT 5, launched in late 2024, suggests the GT 6 could arrive in Q4 2025. This aligns perfectly with Huawei's strategy to release ahead of the holiday season. So mark your calendars for a potential November or December 2025 launch. The GT 6 is expected to compete with premium models like the Apple Watch Series 10 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Pricing might start around €300 to €400 depending on the materials and variants offered. Huawei has always focused on providing a high-value proposition, so expect some impressive specs for the price. We asked you what you'd like to see in the Huawei Watch GT 6, and here are some top suggestions. Longer battery life, advanced sports features, and Google app support. Huawei has yet to integrate Google services fully, but could the GT 6 be the turning point? Let us know your thoughts. The Huawei Watch GT 6 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the smartwatch world. Whether you're upgrading or exploring wearables for the first time, this watch could be worth the wait. What features are you most excited about? Drop your comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of all tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.